It's Valerie's Virtual Time!
Hello everybody. So today we are going to make a Connect 4 game in Python. So first we need to define a function. There. Oh, great, and I also need to get my terminal up. Here's the most annoying thing, because there's going to be lots of resetting the terminal. So I just wanted to prepare it so that I won't have to go through like da. But after that, we are going to define a create board. So create board. And what we're going to put inside it is first we need to import something. NumPy. So if you didn't get this already, and then you can type in pip install NumPy. I won't enter because I already got NumPy, but this is the way how you get NumPy. You can take a second to get that, and it's going to download it for you. And then after that, we're okay. You just need to import it like this, and now we're gonna go up. Next, we're gonna do board equals np.zeros, extra set of parentheses, don't forget that, 6 to 7. So it's going to be it's going to be like 6 like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 across. Next we are going to return the, nope. I was about to type what I said. It's like return the board. Nope. That's not how you type it. Return board. There. Nice. And now what we are going to do is board equals create board. Board, there you go. Wow. There we go. And then we're going to print board. I think this is how you, okay, how can I not type board, but I can type everything else in the world? Yeah, so we're going to check if this thing works. So I'm just gonna run it. You run it however you can. I'm gonna run it how I can, and let's see if it works. Yeah! So we got now I can actually explain to you what I was saying. So it's 7 across and 6 down. Well, that was awkward, but okay, I'll take it. 6 down, there you go. We don't need this anymore because we already know it's gonna work. Next we have to do, what was that? Next we have to do while not game over. Boom. And by the way, I forgot this actually. Game over equals false. Boolean, hello. Well, now we have defined game over so that the computer won't scream to us. Next, we're going to put in this while not game over. Okay, well, I forgot one more thing. That thing is we actually have to do that board equals create board. And yeah, I guess we didn't need to. Now we're going to put a comment here. You don't have to, but this is just to help you. Ask player one's inputs. Then we're going to ask. You don't have to do this, but it can help you a lot, I'd say. And after we got our comments over there, we're going to do turn equals 0. And we're going to say if turn equals 0, selection equals input. There we go. Input. And you can say whatever you want. You can say like player one, make you selection. Selection. And you can say 0 to 6. And now you can tell the player for now, because we aren't going to actually be using this. But what this basically does, it asks player one to make their choice. Like, where do they want to put their thing in this kind of board, I guess. Because that's what we've been calling it all the time. Board. Now I'm gonna run it. And okay, I think I forgot something. One sec. I found the problem. You are not supposed to put the brackets. There you go. And now we can hopefully successfully run it. Yeah! 5. If I enter 7, yeah, it doesn't matter right now. I can enter 1. That number. That's just weird. Yeah, but this is why I need to get a new terminal. Is because of that thing. So, we found the problem successfully. Yay. The next thing to do is okay, where's my thing going? Where did my thing feel like going? There we go. We need to do a print selection and print type selection. Now let's see. Why do I always feel like connection is gonna work? Okay. Chill typers. Okay, I want to make session 3 class string. No. We want this to be something different, not string. That's the wrong thing. And I'm gonna need to reset my terminal again. To fix that string problem, we can surround this with int. By doing that, I mean doing this. And we're gonna type in int. There we go. Now, let's see what this thing has in store for us after that. Player 1 makes your selection. 3, class int. Perfect. That's good enough. I'm gonna get my terminal again. Only annoying thing about this is because the terminal. But we successfully, yeah, I've got this done, which is nice. Then the next thing that we have to do is we gotta get rid of this because we don't need it anymore. Okay, you did well, whatever your name was. Else. Whoa, else? No. There we go. Else selection equals, I guess you could copy it. I am gonna copy it. Just cause why not? Make life easier by just copying and pasting. And we're going to do turn equals turn plus equals 1, and then turn equals turn this percent sign 2. There. And now we can run it. Next for PY. Okay, so the normal old player 1, and it's still player 1. Huh, interesting. We're going to need to find out why it does this and not alternates. And get my new terminal up. Okay. Bring these things up, and that will solve your problem of why it won't alternate, I think. We can only find out if it solves the problem if we player 1, player 2. Yeah, baby. What was that? Trace back. Who cares? Anyways, I'm gonna need to get a new terminal anyways. Well, we got these two alternating, which is a good start. Now we just need to get the board to show up with the turns, like, you know, with the board, and then you can select. That's what I believe we're gonna do next. But first, we're gonna do some defining. And what I mean by that is defining at least 2 more variables. I'm not sure. Drop piece. And we're just gonna pass. Define is valid location. That means to make sure if it's a good location in between 6 and 0. The last one we're gonna define is get next open row. That's a long one. And then after we get all that defining done, we're gonna go back down here, and we are going to actually change these selections into something a different name, which is COL, which stands for column. I'm gonna do the same here. Let's see, does anything? Okay, good here. We're good. We're chill. There. So we just changed them because basically 0 to 6 basically means on the board where you place it. So you can't just place on the row 7, which like something greater, or like something row 1,000,000 and then place it there. No, the thing's just gonna fall off. Or that's what I mean by columns. And now we're just gonna pass the board into this is valid location. So we're gonna do board and column. They're basically just in there. So then we're just gonna stick this board inside there. And we are going to go over here and print the board again. Python and run the code. For PY, And look, we got the board set up, and this. I can say 3. It still doesn't have any effect on the board yet, since we didn't program that yet. But since we stuck this in there, and print the board as well. We print the board and print the selections, which is pretty neat, right? I guess. Hate opening these terminals, it's so annoying. And now what we can do is get rid of this pass and return the board. Return the board. Why do I keep typing the when it's not supposed to be there? I guess I'm trying to explain to it, and my fingers are trying to follow along. Oh, and not only that, 5, call, equals 0. There. That's an interesting one. And then we're going to activate another one, or I like to call it board call, and we're going to do 4R in range. And we're actually going to put this thing up here, which is going to be row count equals 0 on top of the whole entire code that we've programmed so far. Oh wait, is that 6? Yeah, I think it's 6 because there's like 6 rows, I think. Yeah, it's 6, not 0. Otherwise there's going to be 0 rows, and how would the game work like that? And we're also going to put column count. Okay, what is wrong with me? Column, there you go. Equals 7. So that's going to be a 6x7 board, which is why we want to have these two on the top, so then we can make sure that it's going to be a 6x7 board. And after we got those done, we're just going to go down here and type in row, or I might as well copy it because I'm lazy. Why not be lazy whenever you can? There. And we did a pretty good job. We will continue in the next video on how to complete this game on the second video. Bye.